very silly doubt, but please note that from a teacher's perspective, no doubt is silly. You should cover all your doubt, because if you do not cover your doubt, one doubt will create thousands of doubts. Okay, idea is like, if you are like having a lots of friends who are writing this examination, work in a team. Okay, because like when you are working in a team, when you are low, others are high, they will back you. When they are low, you are high, you will back them. So like a way you will be succeeding. Okay, now was you have to also solve the examination question. So what as I said, that make sure that whatever test we are taking, we are conducting, you are solving this questions, because it is very difficult to pass this examination without solving the examination question. Then practice is what I would say. Like whatever online sample examination the institute gave, you complete it. Whatever the full length, in fact, like we are providing now, we are providing 3 full length tests. Okay, ensure that you are doing it for, so that like, because the examination is 6 hours, and many people, many candidates, what they are saying is, sir, I was not prepared for this 6 hours, because you have to write, the examination is from 9 to 12, 2 to 5. Remember, the institute asks you to reach the examination center at 8 o'clock. You might be leaving home at 7. Okay, you might have to wake up at 6. Okay, so you are waking up at 6. Okay, you are writing the examination till 5. Okay, and this is a, like your final examination. You are naturally, it is, you will be exhausted. So if you do not have the potential to sit for 6 hours, okay, it is very difficult, right? So you have to build that potential. You have to practice sitting for 3 hours, 6 hours, so that you are actually prepared for the final examination. Okay, so, and then like you also take the CFA mock exam paper. So CFA Institute has an online sample examination of only 40 questions. Take those. Okay, take the CFA mock paper, which is like two papers of 120 questions each. So that means like you have total of 3 plus 1, 4 mock papers. 4 into 2, 8 mock paper. This is a good amount of mock paper for this particular examination. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Now the way the examinations are graded, it is not that as I have said, that there is no individual cutoff in any topic. There is no cutoff in examination wise. So what happens is, you have total of 240 questions, and in 240 questions you have to bring the 70% marks. So many students, what has happened is, their morning examination goes very bad. Okay, so the thing is, like, if your examination morning has gone very bad, do not feel depressed, because what will happen is, like, you can score very well in the afternoon examination and try to hit this score. Okay, you will be graded on this 240. In fact, like, the institute grades on a marks, each question is 1.5 marks. So total of 360 marks is there, and it will be graded on the basis of that. Okay, so I have come to the end of my presentation. So we are providing our contact information. If you have any query, like, feel free to uh, reach us on this email ID, or you can call on this number. Okay, if somebody is interested in calling, you can call on my personal number also. My personal number is this. Okay, so okay, I like I we will surely get back to you. Any query, like, feel free to reach out to us. Okay, I hope this webinar was useful to you in understanding about the complexity, about the requirements of the CFA examination, and as how a candidate should prepare for this. Okay, now let's understand the requirements, or like about our coaching program. Okay, so we are providing online coaching for this, as you know. Okay, so I will be going you through the brochure that we have for our online program. Okay, just give me a second. So I'm browsing my computer. I will be showing you the presentation. I'm sorry, like, I will be showing you about the brochure that we have for the online. Okay, so CFA online. Okay, So what we are offering to the students are like the students can attend. So I have written like 2 free classes, but you are free to attend 4, 5, 6 classes if you want. Okay, so we have like the USP is like I will say that you can reduce your time by up to 50% when you are uh, reading from us, because this is based on our experience. Okay, students who do not attend a class, they if they are studying on their own, they spend a lot of time. Okay, we have like world-class concept notes. We are very proud of that. We have excellent concept problems geared towards the examination. We have concept practice sheet that is like we will be covering the entire problems. Okay, now we have videos for revision is also given. Okay, now online classes will be held for Saturdays and Sundays. The duration is 3 hours. In fact, like I will say that 2.5 hours you can say effectively, because 15% will be spending on the 15 minutes will be spent, in fact sorry 30 minutes will be spent on problem solving. Okay, there will be 3 midterm tests, okay, module wise test, 3 full length tests. Okay, now the fees for the candidates are 16,900 for the online examination, sorry, online program. Okay, so okay, okay, we are providing a 10% discount if to the candidates who register for this program on 10th of January or before that. We are also providing part payment facilities to the students who are interested. Okay, okay, so this is the like we are providing these classes because of request we have got from outside, but I will say that you can see the interaction that you are having. This type of classes are much more better than the normal classes, because of one thing is like you are able to record the sessions. Okay, you are able to ask the question face to face, and this is like we are using GoToTraining software, the most useful software for the training purpose. And I would say that this is providing a seamless connectivity to anybody who is interested in these classes. Okay, I hope like this session was useful to you in understanding the concepts. Okay, and I am looking forward for you to at least attend some free classes which we are offering, and you can judge our strength, and you are free to attend the classes which are being offered by any other providers, and then you can take your best decision, because yes, you are spending a lot of time on this for examination, because for $1,200 $1,300 is not a small amount. So we are starting the classes from 14th of January. So from 14th of January the classes will be starting, and we will be sending you the schedule for these classes. Okay, so just let me show you the schedule for these classes. So 14th of January, I know that it is Makar Sankranti in India, but this is like what I would say that we came up with the class. So this is the structure of the class. So 14th of January we will be going through the topic reading number 47, which is market organization and structure. So this is understanding about the market, okay, like how a market works. Okay, then 15th of January we go through the time value of money and discounted cash flow application. Okay, reading the 21st of January we cover the statistical concept. Reading number 8 is covered on 22nd January, probability. Then on 28th January we cover the ethical and professional standard. So like this is like the entire schedule that is there, and here it does not have the test and the midterm schedule, but this is the total number of hours which we are spending one and